Hey guys, so here we go with subtraction. So my advice is we're going to go ahead and distribute that negative sign and just make this an addition problem because we just don't want, we don't want to drop a negative. It's so silly, but it happens. So again, add like terms. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Negative 7i plus a negative 7i is a negative 14i. Okay. Now, number 9. This one we want to be careful with. Okay, we definitely want to be careful. So we get 2i times this. So first we're going to distribute the 2i here. Not to both, just the first one. So when I do that, I get 2i minus 8i squared. Okay, I'm going to ignore this guy right here. Now, a little side note, remember I squared equals negative 1. So a quick way of handling this is, you see how it's a negative 8i squared? So that becomes a positive 8. So I'm going to rewrite this. Because you always want the real number in front, imaginary number in back. And now we're going to bring this guy down. I know a lot of y'all like the box method, so we can do that. So 8, 2i, 2, 3i. So what's that? 16, 4i, 24i, and 6i squared. Okay. Remember, this becomes a negative 6. So 16 minus 6 is 10, and then we're going to add these two plus 28i. And then that is your answer. Okay? And then number 10. 4 minus 2i, and 3 plus 5i. So what we want to do is multiply the bottom by a conjugate, because, like square roots, we don't want to have an I at the bottom of our fraction. So all you're going to do is take the middle, whoever's in front of the imaginary number, and change its sign. And whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. Now my advice is let's multiply out the bottom first. We want to make sure those numbers cancel out. So 3 and 5i. Okay, so 9, 15i, negative 15i, negative 25i squared. Okay, and we know that will become a positive 25. So you see now I have a negative 15i and a positive, those cancel. So 9 plus 25 is just 34. Okay. So yay, no i's. Now we're going to go to the top and multiply those out. So 4 minus 2i, 3 minus 5i. 12, negative 6, negative 20i, and 10i squared. Okay. Again, that's going to become a negative 10. So 12 minus 10 is 2. And then we can combine these, we get negative 26i. So let's put it together. Remember, this is my top, and this is my bottom. So 2 minus 26i over 34. Now, if we can, oh, sorry, gotta wait for the video to catch up. Okay, it's really slow. So is everybody? Oh, there we go. There we go. Like magic. Okay, so do you see we have a 2, 26, and 34? We can reduce this by taking a 2 out the top and the bottom. And when we do that, I get 1 minus 13i over 17. Now, the question is, should you reduce? The answer is yes. If you have to ask it, you should do it. Okay? I wish you luck on your quiz. Bye, guys.